going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be pretty much just getting some work done on both of the G35s. For the most part, I just really want to get a lot done. So I'm going to set you guys up really on time lapse, and we're just going to kind of just start knocking out some stuff. Real quick, let me give you a quick rundown on both cars and kind of update you guys on what's going on and what we have done. So starting out first on his car. Went ahead and got all of this worked, so we're going to be shooting some primer. I do have a tiny dent right here that I can barely feel it. So I'm going to end up sanding this down, reworking this whole area. Once this is all done, we'll end up primering all of this. And then I do have wrap on the way, so that should be here at the beginning of December. So stay tuned for it, guys. I am going to be wrapping this by myself. I'm a little nervous. I mean, I've wrapped my car before, so I'm a little nervous, mainly because the rear bumper and the side skirts. When he gets them, you guys will see. But they're very tedious. So a lot of curves and bends and everything. So I'm a little nervous for it, but I'm gonna do what I can do. It should, for the most part, be pretty easy, mainly because we're not doing the trunk and we're not doing the hood. But for the most part, guys, his car is done. Like I said, we just need to work that one little spot, and then it's ready for wrap. And it is going to be staying here until we get it wrapped. So I think what I'm going to do is, during that process, I'm also going to set you guys up on a time lapse and time lapse the entire wrapping process of the car. So super excited. My goal is to have it knocked out in a week. So soon we're going to start getting all of the trim, the mirrors and everything pulled off. We might even do that in this video, I'm not sure yet. But that's pretty much the update with his car. And then as far as mine goes, as you can see up here, we have the engine cover and the harness bar, or strut bar, sorry, removed and masked up, ready to go. I'm going to be respraying this. Hopefully it looks good. And we're going to be respraying the strut bar as well. But the bigger thing that we did, if you guys can tell, can you guys see anything? So as you guys can see, we went ahead and wrapped both pillars. We got the door handles wrapped, both, and the beginning stages of the wing wrapped. So now this was a quick change in plans. Spontaneous, I guess you can say. So I had this wrap laying around, and so I guess this is also sort of a color reveal in a way, because this is the color that I was going to be wrapping the car, except without the flake and whatnot. It's close to the OEM G35 blue color. I don't know the name of it, but this is Midnight Blue from 3M. I had some laying around, and after his car is done, I'm going to order pretty much the rest of the wrap that I need to finish my car. So the reason why we're wrapping it now instead of paint, really it just comes down to just money. Some stuff came up that we don't really need to get into. So the quicker way out to getting the car done looking really good is to wrap it. It's going to save me a lot of money, and that way at least the car will be done, one solid color, and that alone will give me time as well to just keep saving and saving and saving and try to grow my business. And as money comes in, then we'll end up taking all the wrap off eventually, and we'll get the car actually painted. But after making the decision to wrap his car, I kind of thought, well, you know what, it's a lot cheaper than paint, so I'm just going to order what I need to order and get my car wrapped. So I'm super excited. So this is the color. Like I said, it's very dirty right now, but it is a midnight blue, and it does have like a pearl in it. So I'm very excited. But the wing is going to be, oh, and then we got that part as well. The wing is going to be a little tedious. It's going to be in, I believe, 3 pieces. So as you can see, one piece here, another piece right here, and then of course we'll disassemble them, and then another piece there, and then another piece there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces about for each stand, so 8 pieces in total. think I'm gonna actually leave this video off right here. I do have a part coming in, 2 parts, but like I said, I don't know when they're supposed to be here. But not gonna wait for it because I really want to just edit this video and get it out. Also, I'm extremely tired. Put in a lot of work on both cars. I started early this morning, and I'm tired, and I gotta get this video edited. But we did get a lot done. And guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of everything. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you guys are not already. I'm really trying to hit 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I definitely think we can make it happen and surpass it. So if you guys are enjoying today's video or enjoyed today's video and you're not already, please subscribe. And I hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, guys, as always, peace out and have a good Thanksgiving.